So this is the entrance to Coyote Creek State Park, and this is Travels with Dottie. And when you pull up here in your vehicle, you're going to be a little freaked out because it looks like it dead ends right on the other side of these two things. But once you get up here, you see all the road bends to the left, and everything's going to be just fine. So the first thing as we get down here that we're going to see on the left, well, straight ahead, that's the park offices, showers and everything. Really nice showers here. But on the left here, the first site is going to be the camp host site. The lady's standing right out in front of his rig there. His name's Steven, and we're going to see him later. Steven with a PH. Really nice guy. I met him last year. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go straight across here. We're going to go by site 11 right there on the left. That's an electric site. Very nice site if you want to get electric. And you'll see I'm going to show you 3 really great electric sites, and you'll see in a minute why they're so great. This is a parking area down here for day use. And the Coyote Creek is right there. You see they have it blocked off. Normally they could drive down there, but it's filled with water, so they have the gate closed. But on the other side there is the day use pavilion. So we're going to go back up here, and on the left are the E sites, the electric sites, 1 through 10. They're all in a row here. So if you're getting an electric site here at Coyote Creek, it's probably here. If you didn't get site 11 behind us, you're going to get 1 through 10 here. And 1 started at back there, and 10 is the last one here. And you know, it's not that bad. Yes, they're close together. I stayed here last year for 14 days. It was quiet. There's a great view behind you of a meadow and the creek. So this is the road. We're going to get some non-electric sites on the right up here. Starting with the first site you see of B15, B16, 17, and T3. Now I know T I think means tent, but I have seen small RVs and tent sites. I don't think they really care a lot. All there to the right. And there to the right here, there's a loop of campsites, and it's actually where I'm staying. There's the pit toilets on the right, and the site up on the right is site 18, and I don't believe that's an electric site. Make a left here. That rig on your left there is site 19. That is an electric site. And then there's site 20. This is my site. Check this out. Site 20, electric site. Check the view at the back of my site. And my neighbor on this side is in those trees. There's nobody actually in that site right now, but there's no neighbor on the other side. We're going to go down to that site. That site is T4. And it is a non-electric site. I don't know why it's a T site because it's pretty big. I'm going to pull in here and show you. It's a pretty big site. T4. It's the shadiest site by far because of all the trees in the whole park. Now we're heading over to, there's another loop that goes up the side of a hill here. There's also, if you look at the map, it's going to show Overflow area, and that's not accurate. The Overflow area, I'll show that to you down here. It's now designated campsites. It used to just be sort of Overflow open camping area, but that's changed. We're crossing Coyote Creek here. It's a small creek, but there's a lot of fishing going on here, trust me. And there are 2 sites to the left here, site 21 right there, and site 22. And then to the right here where you see all these people camping, that used to be Overflow. These are designated sites now. And up here is the dump station right there on the right. If you blink, you're going to miss it. Now, I believe this is designated Site 24, and often it's blocked off and reserved for like state employees, but I think it's open right now. And we're going to make a right up here, and it's called the Enino Loop Campground. And I think it says nothing over 18 feet. And you can see that sign there. These are small sites. And they're designated with E for Encino, and the first one we're going to pass is going to be E1, then E2. Well, and we're coming up on, the next one will be E3. And that's the site off to the right there. And E4 is going to be at the end of this road that's marked dead end. And I'm not going to go all the way up because there's somebody camping up there. I'm going to stop short and carefully turn around. You can barely see a tent up there, so I'm going to carefully turn around, go back. It's kind of a big loop up here. E6 on the left there, and there's one more that's going to be E5 on the right as we get down to the bottom of the hill. No, I mean E6, I'm sorry. That was E5 that we started, would be E6. That was kind of hard to see. I'm sorry about that. But here we are coming back the other way. That's the old Overflow area. And we're going to, this is the camp host Steven. We're going to take a minute here and introduce you to him. He's working with the camper at the moment. So just bear with me.
It's $10 a night for this site. And it's $10 per vehicle. You have that one in this, okay? I'll move out of the way so you can get straight inside.
And this is Steven, our camp host.
Hey, how are you?
Pretty good. I just did a little tour this year, and I wanted to introduce you in the video.
Oh, okay.
Heard anything about the electric? What's going on?
I had not heard, other than there were some crews working down the road. But I haven't heard anything yet, and I need to call and see. You're welcome.
So we lost our electrical, about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Right now I'm doing editing, and it's 5 o'clock. It's still out. So who knows how long we'll be without electricity. You can't really complain though when it's $4 a night. So, you know, if they miss giving me electricity for 6 hours, you know, what's that, $1 they owe me? $1.25? $1, I guess. Yeah, if it's 6 hours, every 6 hours it'd be $1. So I've shown you the whole place pretty much, and we're gonna go back to the campsite and say hello to Dottie and wrap things up. See a few parking areas on the right here. It's for fishermen. It's a small creek, but there's a lot of fish in it. And there's the old Micro Mini and my trusty F-150. Hi, Dottie. I'm back.
You've been a good girl. Have you? Well, that is the tour of Coyote Creek Campground. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all take care. I will see you on the next video, and I always appreciate you watching. Goodbye.